Hello guys, this is your Poke Game Master once again, and for today's video guys, I will be showing you my top 5 finds in the bulks that we are getting from Game7. So as you know guys, we are ordering a lot of MTG bulks from Game7, and these 5 cards were my top favorite cards among them. So I will show you and I will explain why. So first of all, this Sugar Rush. So if you're building a black deck, so this one is a very nice card. So Sugar Rush is you need 1 colorless and 1 black mana only. So this one can buff the creature by +3 and +0. So your attack will have a +3 until end of turn. And then I like it because you can draw another card. So this one is very nice. You can draw another card and you can buff the creature. Second is the Candy Trail. So the Candy Trail guys is a 1 mana colorless mana. So you can use any mana. So this one is an artifact, food clue. So when Candy Trail enters the battlefield, scry 2. So you can scry 2 cards. So you can get 2 cards in your library, or you can put them in your bottom of the deck. Then if you use 2 more mana, you can sacrifice this Candy Trail. And you can gain 3 life and draw a card. So it's very nice if your life is very low and then you have this Candy Trail card, then you can gain another 3 life, plus you can draw a card. Very nice card. And that is colorless, so you can use in any deck that you're using. And I think this is one of my most favorite guys, Not Dead After All. I already show this in my previous videos guys. So this one is a common card, very OP common card, and it's costing $2 already. It's an instant card, 1 mana only, black 1 mana. Until end of turn, target creature you control gains. When this creature dies, return it to the battlefield, tap under its owner control, then create a Wicked Rule token attached to it. So it can you can revive the, you can revive any card guys, and return it to your battlefield, and it can have a +1/+1 enchantment. So this one is very OP guys, super OP card. I don't know if this is already banned, but it's really OP card guys. Not Dead After All. You must have this if you're using a black deck. And our fourth card, okay, so our fourth card is Fanatical Offering. So this one is an instant card. So you need 2 mana, 1 colorless and 1 black. So for the Fanatical Offering guys, as an additional cost to cast a spell, sacrifice an artifact or creature. So you can sacrifice artifact or creature. Then you can draw cards and create a map token. It's an artifact with okay, so sacrifice this artifact, target creature you control explores, and activate only as a sorcery. So this one is a very nice card guys. Explore means you can check your library. So you can tap and then you can explore. So this is a very nice card guys. You can draw 2 cards and create a map token. Very nice Fanatical Offering. And our last card. So our last card is one of my most favorite as well. 1 mana only, one white mana only. It's Helping Hand. So it's a sorcery guys, and this one is very OP as well. So for example, you have a lot of creatures in your graveyard and you don't have creatures in your battlefield. You can use this one. So this can return target creature card with mana value 3 or less from your graveyard to the battlefield tap. So in just 1 mana, you can return any 3 mana creature from your graveyard to the battlefield. So it's very nice card, and yeah. So tell me your thoughts guys about these 5 cards. Are you using them in your deck or not? Or maybe you will use someday. So let me know your thoughts. And if you have another cheap cards guys, or anything that is in your bulk that you want to share in our channel, you can share it to me. We can review it. We can of course we can also review the cars that you're telling. So thank you so much. I think that's all for today's video, guys, and hope you like it. Please subscribe and please comment on our video. Thank you so much. God bless.